Hi, my name is Dr. Tobias Dalton. I am the Programme Convener for the Computational Geoscience Masters here at the University of Glasgow. Computational geoscience is a field where we're attempting to quite simply model the real world and real world systems using computers. We will take data such as seismic data or magnetic data, input it into programs and attempt to model the real world to make predictions about processes that we can't see. So trying to understand climate as well as ocean systems and flood systems, but also trying to understand plate tectonics, earthquakes, right down to sort of trying to appreciate mineralogical variations. The program itself is highly applied. We are modeling with real data, trying to solve actual problems. So rather than focusing on purely being taught by us speaking and looking at textbooks and so forth, we are doing practicals where we have specific targets. As part of the process of developing this degree, we spoke to quite a number of industry contacts and colleagues. We've been talking to geothermal companies, geophysical companies, some GIS companies, any industry that is trying to model the environment around us. We've sort of developed our course alongside them, so we've discussed with them how the program's going to fit together, the kind of things that we're going to teach and learn. Students do not need to have any geological background for this course. We're particularly focused on those with strong mathematical backgrounds. Students from the physical sciences, from engineering, or computational sciences themselves. We're really keen on helping students who've got these backgrounds really apply their skills to the geoscientific world. I believe this is quite a unique course because we're much more focused on attempting to take people not with geoscience backgrounds and bring them into our world to give them the practical skills to do something that is much more hands-on. One of the things we've been building here at Glasgow for the last couple of years is a big community of computational geoscientists. We have some top world-leading researchers here working in the field, and I think this program really comes in to align with both the staff at the right moment for this, as well as the right moment from a sort of industrial factor and moving forwards. We have recognised a need for computational geoscientists in the world, and we have developed this program specifically to fulfil that demand.